If you're someone who uses Meta's AI glasses, you should take advantage of the conversation focus feature while you can. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. It's reported that Meta is pausing its rate limits for the accessibility feature that uses the glasses speakers to amplify the voice of who you're talking to. Meta spokesperson Tyler Yee said, "We heard the feedback, so we're pausing its subscription test for now," adding that Conversation Focus will remain available for free through our early access program for early testers while they work on a better approach. It was last month when Meta quietly added rate limits to its Conversation Focus feature for its smart glasses. The feature would be free to use until you surpass 3 hours a month, after which you would have to pay for a $20 a month Meta One Premium plan, which still had a cap of 15 hours of use per month. It's still unclear why Meta added rate limits to the Conversation Focus feature, since it was proven to run on-device and without an internet connection or AI. While Meta made the choice to keep the Conversation Focus feature free for now, there's no surety on its future yet. According to Yee, Meta wants to make sure they get it right when talking about the feature, and that the company is still exploring all their options for the best approach. Even more vague, the Meta spokesperson said that some premium features will be subscription-based over time, reasoning that this is how charging for certain features helps Meta sustain its strategy to keep the hardware prices under check. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.